So I'm going to walk you through how I make this quick and easy dinner. Rice and vegetables, baby. This is so easy to make, and this is so easy to make on any dinner night. Okay, it's good for lunch or dinner, and it's very quick. So we got our 3 cups of jasmine rice. Wash and drain the water out. And I'm going to get 5 cups of water in the saucepan. I'm going to pour my already washed rice, then add some little salt in my rice and cover it. While my rice is cooking, I'm going to slice all my vegetables and make sure I got it ready, baby. We ain't got time to waste, baby. So we got to do it quick because it's going to be a quick dinner. All right. Okay. As you can see, I'm slicing my onions, my garlic, and I'm getting my vegetables ready as well. So we got to do it fast, baby, because I'm so hungry and I need to get this food ready in 30 minutes. Okay, my rice is ready. It's almost ready after 15 minutes, and I put some little onions and garlic in it. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add some little water to make everything season. You got it? Yes. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. Then I'll turn off my stove. And yes, we are going to come to our vegetables. We're going to wash our vegetables, and we're going to slice our zucchini and broccoli. The onions is already sliced. Then I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of butter. That is salted butter right there. And I'm going to put my stove in low heat. Remember, it has to be on a low heat. Okay, then I'm going to pour my pepper. I got mild salsa there. You can use any kind of pepper that you have. I just want it to be spicy a little bit. Okay, everything is getting ready, and I pour all my vegetables. Then I'm going to add any spice I want to add. You can see I'm adding my clove spice. I'm going to add my Italian herbs and which other herbs you have at home. Then cover it for 3 to 4 minutes, and boom, our dinner is ready. And I have some steak I already make at home. See, I put it beside it. Looks nice and yummy. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Leave this video a like, comment below, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.